اللهم أنت ربي لا إله أنت خلقتني وأنا عبدك. اللهم أنت ربي لا إله إلا أنت خلقتني وأنا عبدك وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت. اللهم أنت ربي لا إله إلا أنت خلقتني وأنا عبدك Espada fit bakal ragali.
Baru bakal kali.
Já vamos, mas nós organizamos, fazemos melhor o curso.
أعوذ بك من
Lambat.
اللهم أنت ربي لا إله إلا أنت خلقتني وأنا عبدك وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت أعوذ بك من شر ما صنعت أبوء لك بنعمتك علي وأبوء بذنبي فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت اللهم أنت ربي لا إله إلا أنت اللهم أنت ربي
بدأنا
This is Minecraft, but the crafts get bigger. Today we're making the crafting table get bigger and bigger and really big. From a 1x1 crafting table to a typical 3x3 crafting table to even a 8x8 mega crafting table, I'll be upgrading my crafting table to create bigger and bigger items to the point that my pickaxe and armor will be 100 blocks big. So, how big can the crafting even get? And what does this huge craft get me? Stay tuned to find out. Look how small it is! So this is a tiny crafting table at crafting level 1, and if we put one wooden plank in it, we get a crafts get bigger item, which I guess I just right click. Yup, there we go. So with that craft, we get a little bit of progression with the progress bar at the top, and our goal is to go from this tiny crafting table to pretty much this thing. So with that being said, the only ways I can craft this video is with the crafting table size I have. So here are the crafts I'm going to be trying to make in the 1x1 crafting table, and I guess let's go ahead and try one stick. Oh wait, what the heck is that thing? A tiny sword. Makes you feel like a giant. Look at how small it is. Oh, crafting table upgrade unlocked. It's now a wide, tiny table. What the heck? And so in crafting level 2, I'm gonna have to make these crafts on the screen right now. And with 2 tiny swords, we get a stacked double sword. Double the weapon, double the strength. Okay, so I kind of want to test it out on the iron golem, so I guess let me be a little bit careful here. Okay, please don't kill me, please don't kill me, please don't kill me. I think it does double damage. That was actually really quick. Not bad. But one of the next things we can actually make is with the iron ingot, and it's not a tiny wooden sword, but actually a iron hammer. It's a little bit of pickaxe. Perfect. Nice. And the final craft I gotta do with the 2x1 is apparently with some flowers. So let me get these 2 flowers real quick. Thank you very much. And what does this give me? Of course it's that. Okay, so just like that, we get the mandatory subscribe button in the video, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, feel free to click that subscribe button, guys. And anyways, with that being done, let's go ahead and upgrade our crafting. And wait, what? Did you just pop out of me? I'm very confused, but at the same time, I'll let you be, I guess. So what is this one gonna be? Wait, what the heck is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, we now have a 1x1x1. Okay, so yet again, here are all the crafts I gotta do for this one. And I guess we can start with the